Oh my god. What did you do?
I had to do that, otherwise I can't roll it on.
Have you not done this before?
No, this is the camera I bought and I haven't used it. It's an old one.
That's one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know. Fast money.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. And it's a vlog. Okay, so today we're going to Heathrow. We're going down to Berlin for 3 nights from Monday to Thursday. Going with Katie, my girlfriend, who's camera shy as shit. You're gonna hate every bit.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna try and make you look as bad as possible on the vlogs. Nice. She's currently trying to sort her film camera out because she likes making things more difficult. We are packed. I've just got back from work and about to go down to Heathrow because we're going down a little day early. We've got early flight tomorrow at 7. Yeah, I'm setting my alarm for 4, by the way.
Yeah. I don't comprehend that time.
I don't like it. Well, yeah, you don't live here.
True. That is true.
Oh, can you put both of them in, please?
What's this map then?
Thanks, man. What? Oh yeah, it's music. Yeah. What's up with that pink hair, Jesus?
Get it out.
That's what she said.
Get it out. Get it
on.
Come on. Come on.
Katie's always getting irritated at me. So this will be the longest we spent with each other. So good luck trying to cope with me, so I get irritated.
Yeah, I know.
So we're at Heathrow. Well, we're at the hotel now, which is pretty much very close to T5 terminal at Heathrow Airport. What was that? What?
No,
laughing at something I said?
Yeah.
Such a bitch.
I'm not a bitch. Are we going there?
No. It's not where it says entrance.
Well, it says entrance.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I know, but it's got a card thing. I don't know.
It says automatic. Oh. Nice.
Oh, I hate lifts.
Do you hate absolutely
Why do you
everything?
have to go up the lift?
What do you mean? Get
Well, I
used-
think we're trapped.
No, we're not.
I always want there to be someone there. So I'm like, hello.
Hello.
Oh, Joe.
So as you guys might know, I'm like the biggest nerd with planes, and basically we're at T5, and that's a plane over there. Katie keeps making fun of me because I like planes and she doesn't.
Oh, that's nice. I'm going to steal these.
That's a big mirror.
Once we've used them.
We shall bring our own shower stuff.
No, because they give us in the hotel first.
Oh, some manual focus.
That was nice. Ooh.
Is this what you do?
I get very excited with things like this.
Get a glass for water. It's
like
the
a
shittest glass in the world.
There's mugs.
What, bigger mugs?
Yeah.
Bigger mug than you? Oh no, that's a tea, isn't it?
Yeah. But you can use it for water. You put water in tea.
Oh, that's a big plane. Oh, it's a big plane.
Try and hook it under the handle.
Is that a 380? Oh, if that's a 380, I'm gonna be so happy.
How would you know?
Because I know, no, it's nowhere near a 380. That's 340. Is it Virgin? Yeah, it is. Fuck me, I'm good. I'm good. So guys, it is 4:30 in the morning. We got what, like 4.5, 5 hours sleep? What?
Less than that.
Really?
Yeah. Waking up.
You weren't up for that long.
Really? That felt ages. I don't know. Maybe not.
You're like, go to sleep. I can get at least 2 more hours.
Well, I can't.
So we're gonna go to the airport whenever Katie hurries the up.
I'm very nice.
The is that hair colour?
No, it's because I don't want to look like I'm dying and
Yeah,
then
but you were
go
fine
take me
until I
away. It's like, oh.
Well, yeah, I think they'll do that anyway when you look nervous as shit. Like, I don't have a bomb. What bomb? No. Hurry up, please.
I'm trying.
My white balance is so off on this camera. Are you not? Hi guys, so we're in the airport terminal now with Katie. I just quite like how I get the looks from people. They're like, wait, the fuck are you? It's like, you got a camera to his face. So our gate has just gone up on the board, and we're like miles away now. You having fun?
Yeah. No. I don't like airports.
She doesn't like them because she thinks she's gonna do something wrong, and they're gonna think she's like a terrorist. That's such a bad mindset because you're not. They're not gonna find anything. What? Why do we get a train?
Because that's the only way you can get to the terminal. In the right time.
She just looks over really quick now. Ooh, I'm just taking a photo. She has no idea. So guys, this is our bed. Oh, I know it's not. How funny was that? Oh, I crack myself up sometimes.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, that's not nice. Hey guys, so we're at the hotel now. Katie's doing her makeup because girls. It's really nice actually. It's really warm out. We kind of got a bit lost, but then we did alright. We could have got way lost. Way more lost. So apparently this is the garden view. Not much of a garden.
It's like one bit of grass view.
Yeah, and some sand.
Sand, classic garden.
Do a piece to camera.
A what?
Piece to camera. No, oh, for f***'s sake. Just like talking to the camera.
Oh, no.
Yeah. No, don't do it.
I want to be zoomed in.
Don't hit me. They look so sweet, but in actual fact, they're f***ing mental.
You're gonna ruin my hair.
You ruined your own hair.
No, I didn't.
You did, you put pink in it. So guys, we are up. What's it called? I still don't know the name of it. It's a very tall tower. It's like the tallest tower in Germany at least. It's like a little needle kind of thing, but you can see
Like
for
the shard.
bloody miles, except not. Shall we go find our hotel?
Yeah, wait.
Go on. There it is. You can see our room actually.
Wait, where are you?
You silly gal. You can't see our hotel.
Oh, is it that white one?
No, look here, my camera.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
Oh, this makes me feel weird. So I can feel it moving.
But it's not.
Hey guys, so it's come to the end of today. Have you enjoyed today?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I have. Have you?
I have. Thank you.
That's good.
So today we went to the little tower thing. Just kind of spent a bit.
Little, but it's not the right one.
Big tower thing. And spent a bit of time around the cocktail kind of bar, which was really nice. Although we were sat out in the baking sun trying to kind of, we were trying to order food, but like they weren't coming to us, so it wasn't very good customer service. But tomorrow we're going to see the, what's it called, Katie?
Brandenburg Gate.
Yeah, that.
And the zoo.
A zoo. What else?
And some fields. Parks.
What? Oh, kind of. Green areas.
That's what they're called.
Parks.
Green areas and parks.
Yeah. See you in a bit. Bye. Oh no, hold on. What do I say? Hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Make sure to share this with your friends because they'll enjoy it as well. Bye. I knew I'd remember.
Is that what you say?
Yeah.